Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. TLC Okunboale here, and I'm happy to be here with you today. I want to show you exactly how you can get your dollar out of your perfect money account using TrueX Gold. Do you understand? Once you have withdrawn your money from AI marketing into your perfect money account, it comes into your perfect money account in dollar. Just in case you've forgotten, I did a video on withdrawal which showed how I withdrew $50 into my perfect money account, and then you always pay a charge of $3 whenever you're withdrawing from AI marketing. So the money, the $50 came in as $47. So I just want to get that out of my perfect money account, and I'm going to be using TrueX Gold. Let's go right into it. So when you sign in into your TrueX Gold account, you would see this display that shows you a breakdown of what exactly you can do. Okay, let's try and sign in. Okay, I'm in. So what we want to do is that we want to send perfect money. See on your left side, you see you send here, and then you see you receive here. So just the same way you were able to fund your perfect money account to use online for whatever purpose, it's the same way you are going to be able to withdraw out of your perfect money account to your Naira account. Now if you look here, you see the you send. I'm going to pick perfect money, and then you receive. What I'm going to receive is Naira. Okay, now in Naira, you can see the dollar to Naira rate is 485 Naira. So I'm going to click on you send perfect money. I want to send perfect money. Okay, maybe I need to reload the site. Okay, so I'll send perfect money and I'll receive Naira. Great. Good. So here we are. Now this, you should read this, okay? Because it took some time. Can you allow 5 to 30 minutes within our working hours, Mondays to Fridays? Okay, so we are within the working hour range, and let's see how fast this is going to take us. So the perfect money amount I'm going to be sending is exactly the $47 I have in there. Okay, and then they will tell me how much I'm going to receive. Okay, their charge is going to be a 47.95 cents, and what I have in there is not gonna be sufficient for this 95 cents. What I have in there, look at it again, is a $47.61. So I think I need to reduce the amount I'm going to withdraw to $46. Now let's see how much. Okay, so it will take just a $46.93. So I think you can just say a $1 to a $50 charge is what they will take. Now I need to put in my USD account from Perfect Money. So let's get that. Okay, copy, and I'll put it in here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be receiving. I'll receive a 22,000 Naira, 310 Naira. That's a 22k, almost a 22,500 Naira. So let's just say we put in the account details. I'm going to put in my account details now. Once you're done putting in your account details, you just need to come down, scroll down to where it says name of bank, and then you see the different bank options. So my bank option is what I'm going to pick now. Okay, here it is, and then just do this math here, and then click on exchange. Okay, once you click on exchange, your process, look at it, says your order is successful. Okay, so right now we're just going to wait. Okay, here's what they will do. They would take the money out of my Perfect Money account, and then I'll be able to receive this value, 20,310 naira, into my account. Okay, and let me just click on I read and agree with the terms and conditions, and click on create order. Your order is successfully created. So then this order here, here you see how to make payment. This order is valid for 1 hour. Kindly click on the make payment button below to make payment. And here's the details of the payment. All fees must be in accordance with instructions. So I need to click on make payment. Once I click on make payment, good, I'll be asked to then make the payment. You know, they have their own Perfect Money account, so that payment is just going to move from my own Perfect Money account to their own Perfect Money account. So let's do it. Make payment. Okay, member ID. Here, that's my member ID. Let me put in my password. And then put in the number you see. Make sure you put it in clearly. Here we go. Okay, I'm to check my email. Let me see if I have. Okay, looks like the pin has arrived in my email. Let's see. Good. So usually Perfect Money will always send you a pin because they're trying, you know, this is money we are dealing with, so they have to be certain that you are the one initiating that transaction. And that's why they would always send you a pin at every transaction you're trying to make on your Perfect Money account. So if maybe someone is trying to, you know, get money out of your account, if the person doesn't have a hold on your email, the person wouldn't be able, you know, to get in. So I put in the pin, and now it's asking me to just confirm the payment. Let me check, just check. Look, verify through X Gold. That is where I'm paying to. And once I see that I'm okay, I just click on confirm payment, and that's it. Okay, you see it says the payment was successful. Thank you for using Perfect Money. Okay, continue, and then that's all. We would, if you go back to check, once you have done this, if you go back to check your Perfect Money account, you'll see that the page keeps refreshing. Page refreshes every 30 seconds. So it refreshes because through X Gold on their own end, once they get the money you just sent into their Perfect Money account, they would then on their own end push your payment to you in Naira. So once that has been done, the status of your order would just be that the payment was successful, that your order is completed. That's what you'll see above here. So let's just wait. Right, so I have just received a message in my bank account. Unfortunately, I cannot show you my bank account, right? So I just received a message saying that my money, you know, just arrived. Exactly the amount sent got to me. Now, if you look at my Perfect Money account, that money is no longer here. It already left. So I just hope that this video was able to help you, you know, get money out of AI marketing and into your Naira account or Perfect Money account for any other purposes. If you did love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, come back for more. And if you don't know what exactly AI marketing is, you should just take a look at the link I'll leave down below, and then I really recommend you checking it out. Okay, take care and have a great evening. Bye.